Hello everyone and welcome to Exyled Miscellaneous Projects. I have a new project here today. It is a Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it is plugged in right now. It shows green. It should be working, but it's not turning on. And as soon as I unplug it, nothing. No light, no responsiveness. It's completely dead. So we're going to be taking it apart and taking a look at it. First off is just popping off the little rubber feet. Making quick work of those with my knife. Now as you can see, this is an 808 model. I believe that's what it is. It certainly doesn't look like Bob. But there is the inside with the battery and everything else. I'm just taking out the battery real quick so I can test it, see what the issue is. Using a very old model screwdriver here. The original one I had set aside did not fit in through the holes for the initial part for the end cap there. I am trying to get better with my camera work. I actually have it set above my desk now instead of using the tripod setup I was before. The stationary view, I think from above, gives it a little bit better of an angle, but I also still go outside of view obviously a lot, and I need to fix that. But having it on my desk gives me some control over other functions on the camera setup. As you can see, there are some marks on the board. Nothing overt, I would say, but enough marks to make me wonder about it. So I'll be taking that out later. Got my multimeter right there, and we're going to take a look at the battery, see what it registers as. So we're getting 3 volts, and it's supposed to be rated for 11.7. So not dead, but also not charging properly, I would say, either. And that other piece just ended up being a sleeve that came off very easily. So that's the rest of the speaker. Not sure how good the speaker is, but I mean, it's kind of a nice setup. I like it. Wouldn't mind being able to use it. And again, with that camera angle. And right there, you can see that it is burned. I'll clean it up, but I don't think I'm going to be able to fix that. Just because that would require getting a new component. I could solder it, wouldn't be hard. I've done all that stuff before. But this was a cheap speaker, probably not even worth buying the new component. So I cleaned it up a little bit. You'll notice all the white marks are gone, but that dark spot is still very much there. There's nothing I can do about that. I will see if I can just take it off, see if the component, if I can work around the component at all. Probably not. Sometimes you can, but I've never tried it with a Bluetooth speaker. So more than likely this speaker is just dead. I'm not going to be able to work on it. Or fix it, rather. I can still work on it all I want. So I'm just going to put it briefly back together. Put the battery back inside the box just so I don't lose any of the screws, other components, while I decide what I want to do. Anyways, if you have any ideas on the matter, let me know in the comments. I'll take a look at them, see if there's anything I can do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.